Continuing on, CNC break number 4861. We've got the totally certified and the 1112 titanium. We've got a mirror red rookie number to 100 for the Carolina Hurricanes of Michael Jordan and a Chris Tanev jersey for the Vancouver Canucks. We've got for the Columbus Blue Jackets Ryan Murray, and for the Buffalo Sabres rookie jersey auto Nikita Zadorov. Nikita Zadorov. We've got for the Buffalo Sabres Zemgus Girgensons, and for the Ottawa Senators rookie roll call jersey Corey Connor. And we've got number to 100, mirror red for the Florida Panthers, Brian Campbell. We got a Stefan Matteau rookie for the New Jersey Devils. An autograph rookie for the Red Wings of Danny DeKeyser. And we've got for the Florida Panthers, number to 25, rookie roll call patch, Nick Bjugstad. We start off with a game-worn gear of Jonathan Quick for the LA Kings. We've got number 99, Mike Smith for the Arizona Coyotes, red parallel. And a game-worn gear jersey for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Rick Nash. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, game-worn gear jersey, Marc-Andre Fleury. We've got for the Islanders, private signings of Frond Nielsen. That's not bad. And we've got for the Winnipeg Jets, game-worn gear, Tobias Enstrom. And a true rookie, numbered to 93, for the Ottawa Senators, Mika Zibanejad. Number to 93, true rookie, Mika Zibanejad.